Huh?
Yeah, action.
So interesting fact.
Oh yeah. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Pause. Before Erwin says another word, one thing you have to know about him, he's not exactly the social butterfly. More like a social cocoon. He doesn't usually talk, but if he does, well, no one really understands what the heck he's talking about. It's like as random as it gets.
Water cooler's in the office, like the one over there, is where coworkers usually gather to gossip about things.
That's great, Erwin. Oh, random. I don't know what to say to this guy. See, now I can tell he's staring intensely at me. Okay, just focus on my lunch.
Where am I? Oh. Do you want to go over there and share some stories?
I think I'm good right here. This lunch is going to be so slow. Could have had it with Jenny. That's another movie.
She's trying to change it. Okay. Yeah.
Jenny.
Bring her back.
What's her name again?
Oh no, just keep going.
Could have had it with Zoe, but stuck with someone who's impossible to talk to. Like, seriously? With people like Erwin, I don't even know where to begin. Okay, that was a little mean. All right. No one really talks to him. I should just try. We can... Okay. Oh my gosh. We can talk here. Do you have any stories to share?
No.
Well, here we are then.
Yeah.
Jason's good. You're good.
Can I get any more awkward than this?
Nice shoelaces.